If you're looking for a 4-channel digital dash cam that gives you full vehicle coverage day and night, the AutoMeter Guardian 360 digital dash cam has all that and then some. First up, you get full 1080p resolution on all 4 channels. The Guardian 360 has front, rear, and cabin views, each with 150-degree wide-angle lenses that capture the whole scene, from the road ahead, behind, and everything in between. Perfect for daily drivers, families, rideshare workers, or anyone who wants to keep an eye on every angle. And it's not just a camera. The built-in GPS provides real-time tracking of your location and speed. Imagine having all your route data stored and ready if you need it for an insurance claim or accident report. You can easily access all that info through a separate app. And the Guardian 360 won't leave you in the dark. With its superior night vision and infrared lights, it captures crisp, clear video even in complete darkness. So whether it's low light conditions or completely dark, this camera doesn't miss a detail. And the Guardian 360 comes with everything you need, from the camera and wiring all the way to the suction cup that's used to mount the unit to your windshield. And there's also an available wiring kit that allows the Guardian to be powered up even when the vehicle isn't running, giving you 24-hour security. The Guardian 360 digital dash cam is a complete solution for drivers who want high-quality, reliable video coverage on the road. Whether it's accident evidence or you just want to monitor your drive, it's a must-have for drivers everywhere. Ready to experience full coverage with the AutoMeter Guardian 360 digital dash cam? Well, check it out at AutoMeter.com.